Hello, in this module we are going to talk about how to make the WISEid Match within the Post-Secondary Transition Plan portal. If you get into your PTP portal and are attempting to make a WISEid Match without any luck, again, keep in mind that I am in our test site, so we may not be seeing the exact same things, but this should be able to move you forward to make that WISEid Match. So if I'm clicking on a student to make a WISEid match and I'm finding that there's not a match found and I'm not able to make the match, you can try to edit the student to match. One of the biggest reasons we find a mismatch is that how the student is entered in the Post-Secondary Transition Plan portal is different than how they are entered into your district enrollment system. So start here, checking the name, last name, first name, making sure that they're not flipped, or checking your date of birth. If there are any edits made, make those edits, resave the student, and try to make the match again. If you're still not having luck, there are two other documents that can assist to move this along. First, you can go to the PTP tips and reminders, and if you get to the first page, probably not even a quarter of the way down, you'll see the matching a WISEid in the Post-Secondary Transition Plan. You can find the link to the document here or on the DPI website. And that will take you to matching a WISEid tips sheet. So here are some step-by-step directions to start with. Again, typically it's a mismatch between the PTP and your student information system. So starting with your district enrollment specialist is a great place to start to make sure that the systems are matching. If you're still continuing after utilizing this document and not finding a match, please reach out to your Transition Improvement Grant Coordinator for further information and assistance. Thank you so much and have a great day.